LingoNote is a one-stop repository for capturing new words and phrases as you encounter them while reading, conversing, or watching movies and video. When you first log into LingoNote, you need to create your first vocabulary folder. This is easy to do by clicking the Add button next to vocabulary folders. Here, we simply need to name our folder, select our source language, and our target language. Now that your folder is set up, you are ready to start adding notes. Let's say you want to say six-pack abs in Spanish. You realize the phrase cannot be found in the dictionary, and Google Translate does not have the correct translation either. You start reading original Spanish sources about working out and find out the translation. Then, you record it in LingoNote. Later on, you discover another Spanish translation for this phrase and record it as well. Each time you encounter a new translation, you simply continue adding it to your existing list. You can also record the full sentence in which each translation is found. LingoNote allows you to add a tag to differentiate between different potential meanings. For example, workout. When a word or phrase has more than one meaning, new meaning blocks can be added, each with its own tags and attributes. Additionally, to each word or phrase, users can add translations in as many languages as they need. In order to do this, we simply need to add more target languages to our folder, for example, French. And now we can add all the translations in French. But that's not all. By clicking the drop-down, you can always add more detail and definition, synonyms, antonyms, examples, and further notes to each meaning. Your vocabulary lists continue to grow along with you. You can capture and organize new words and phrases in a way that makes sense to you. You are in charge of curating your own learning space to make new vocabulary meaningful and personally relevant. But adding vocabulary is just the start. LingoNote's true power shines when you need to quickly retrieve specific information. When searching for a word, phrase, topic, or situation, LingoNote provides a wealth of filters and search capabilities. When you want to recall vocabulary relevant to a specific situation, you simply perform a tag search, and all pertinent vocabulary is instantly retrieved. The tagging feature allows you to dynamically group and reorganize vocabulary by topic or situation. Additionally, the date created and date updated filters allow students to focus on vocabulary pertinent to their current course or future exam, as well as allowing translators to recall words that they might have heard at a conference or a specific date and time. LingoNote is not limited to recording and organizing vocabulary. It can automatically generate flashcard decks from your vocabulary. Unlike traditional flashcard-only apps, LingoNote dynamically generates flashcards based on parameters you define. By creating decks on the fly with only the information you select, you can engage in targeted review of vocabulary that is a priority at that particular moment, be it regarding a certain topic, a certain time period, or any other parameter you may choose. The flashcards are highly customizable and accommodate your evolving needs. You can use the advanced searching and filtering options to determine which words and phrases will be included in each deck. In addition, you can select which of the available vocab fields will be displayed on the backs of cards. Our six-pack abs illustration is just one example of the tens of thousands of terms that you simply cannot learn in the classroom. And they don't exist in one place. They are scattered around in multiple sources and in all the nooks and crannies of the web. Your starting point is to dig out those words and phrases, but this is far from enough. Your more challenging task is to fully master them. Our brains cannot instantly memorize everything we have glanced over while reading in a foreign language. We quickly forget if we don't focus on actually remembering. This is where LingoNote comes in. LingoNote will hold your gradual and growing understanding of each word or phrase you record. Once you add a new word, you will continue to update your knowledge, polishing, revising, and fine-tuning your expanding and more nuanced understanding. Bits and pieces will continually be added to your existing knowledge about words as you are exposed to them in a variety of new contexts and situations. Learners need multiple opportunities to interact and engage with words over a period of time in order to progress from merely recognizing and understanding the words to using them well in speaking or writing. With targeted review in LingoNote, all those expressions will become cached in your brain and you will begin to use them with the ease of a native speaker.